In front of me is Motorola Moto E7 Power, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So at first you need to locate and open your Play Store. In my case it's right here. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and also logged in with your Google account. So we are already connected, it's time to use our Google account. So at first enter your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account, and click on next. Now enter the password, so just let me do it off the screen. Here it is, and as only the password is entered, tap on next. And just follow all the Google Terms of Service and the rest privacy statements. And as you can see, now we are in Google Play Store. Log in and with all necessary access. Then you need to tap on more icon right here. Okay, so it disappeared. Just click on your device's name, actually your account's name, in my case it's HardReset, and then go to My Apps and Games. And as you can see here under updates, you will find all apps that can be updated. And you can either update all apps at once by tapping on Update All, this green tab right here, or you can update one particular application, for example Google Drive. Just mark Update right next to its icon, and then it will be done. And this is it, that will be all. This is how you can update apps on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.